What's up, everybody? It's Alexis from 8th Avenue, and today I have a quick hands-on review of the Vivo V30e 5G, and it's the latest addition to the Vivo V30 series that was recently launched earlier on this year. The Vivo V30e has a very unique and elegant design coupled with a very powerful camera, so this will be a quick rundown of its best features. Starting off with the design and the display. The Vivo V30e boasts a 3D curved screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, allowing for a very smooth and seamless scrolling experience. Its design features an ultra-narrow bezel and comes in two colors, classy brown and sunny green. Next up, we have the camera. The Vivo V30e boasts a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 camera, and it includes the Aura Light integration, which not only enhances the rear camera lens arrangement, but also gives the phone's back camera a unique and stylish appearance. Also, the Aura Light portrait feature makes for perfect shots even in very low light. It also has the 2x professional portrait mode, which makes the pictures that you take with that mode look more natural. Over to the performance and the battery. With a 5500 mAh battery and a 12GB plus a 12GB extended RAM, the Vivo V30e is built for endurance and multitasking. It's designed to retain up to 80% of its capacity after 1600 charge cycles and a battery warranty of up to 4 years. The Vivo V30e uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 processor, so it's capable of running most games at medium to high settings without causing any lag or disturbance during gameplay. So let's talk about the price. The Vivo V30e 5G will be going for 13,999 Rand at all major retailers and network providers. And I think this is an amazing price point because it offers very premium functionality and specs without breaking the bank. So if you're in the market for a smartphone that offers style, performance, and affordability, then the Vivo V30e 5G is a great option. Don't forget to follow 8th Avenue for more tech updates.